ഗുഡ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ അക്കാഡമിയുടെ ഒരു പുതിയ വീഡിയോ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമ്മളിന്ന് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്കഷനാണ്. നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ദ റേഷ്യോ ഓഫ് ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദ ഡ്രോയിങ് ടു ദ ആക്ച്വൽ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദ ഒബ്ജെക്റ്റ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ, ഡയഗണൽ സ്കെയിൽ, വെർനിയർ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ, റിഫ്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഇൻഡെക്സ്. Our answer is representative fraction. Next question like povam. A conic section which have only one directrix: circle, hyperbola, parabola, ellipse. Our answer is parabola. Next question like povam. Rapid hardening Portland cement having quick rate of gain of strength due to higher content of tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, dicalcium aluminate. Our answer is tricalcium silicates. Next question like povam. The property of increase in volume of fine aggregate due to moisture is called slacking, bulking, warping, shrinking. Our answer is bulking. Next question like povam. Good brick earth, this constituents imparts plasticity to the earth. It can be molded. Lime, alumina, silica, oxide of iron. Our answer is alumina. Next question like poem. It is liquid substance which hold the ingredient of paint in liquid suspension. Base, dryers, vehicles, coloring pigments. Our answer is vehicles. In chemical classification of rock, marble is known as siliceous rocks, metamorphic rocks, calcareous rocks, argillaceous rocks. Our answer is calcareous rocks. Next question. The process of heating the limestone to redness in contact with air is termed as calcinations, slacking of lime, fat lime, water lime. Our answer is calcinations. Next question. The portion from which the branches is removed receives nourishments from the trunk and dark ring which are known as knots, ringulls, medulla, pith. Our answer is knots. Next question. It indicates the loss of water penetrated into soil. It may join some underground water. Transpiration, surface runoff, percolation, infiltration. Our answer is percolation. Next question. For potable water, the amount of chloride should not exceed 225 ppm, 275 ppm, 150 ppm, 250 ppm. Our answer is 250 ppm. Next question. The theoretical time taken by a particle of water to pass between entry and exit of a settling tank is known as detention period, settling period, period of penetration, falling period. Our answer is detention period. Next question. The valve is an automatic device which allows water to go one direction only. Relief valve, sluice valve, score valve, reflex valve. Our answer is reflex valve. Next question. The term used to indicate the wastewater from bathroom, kitchens, etc. Night soil, raw sewage, sullage, septic sewage. Our answer is sullage. This night soil is obtained from the septic tank. The next question. It is constructed to provide a connection between high-level branch sewers to low-level main sewers with a minimum amount of disturbance. Drop manhole, manhole, catch basin, inlet. Our answer is drop manholes. Let's move to next question. Amount of oxygen required to carry out the biological decomposition of dissolved solids in sewage under aerobic condition at standard condition. Dissolved oxygen, chemical oxygen demand, Biochemical oxygen demand, oxygen demand. Our answer is biochemical oxygen demand. Next question. The term is used to indicate the sludge which is obtained by settling sewage in presence of abundant oxygen. Activated sludge, aeration, diffusers, mechanical aeration. Our answer is activated sludge. Let's move to next question. The quantity of liquid waste which flows in sewers during the period of rainfall is known as outfall sewage, septic sewage, chemical sewage, storm sewage. Our answer is storm sewage. Let's move to next question. What is the minimum amount of DO required for survival of aquatic animals? DO means dissolved oxygen. 8 mg per liter, 12 mg per liter, 2 mg per liter, 4 mg per liter. Answer is 4 mg per liter. Next is the last question of this video. Let's move to that. The length of Savarier's chain. Savarier's chain length is 33 feet, 60 feet, 66 feet, 100 feet. Answer is 66 feet. 100 feet is the length of an engineer's chain. So, thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.